Namaskar. Today we are going to see how to make pizza at home using all the homemade ingredients, homemade sauce and all the things except cheese, whatever available at home. Let us start making our recipe and welcome to our channel Kamal's Chaat Tutorial. Then 2 cups of maida or refined flour, that is all purpose flour, and in that we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of semolina, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we'll sieve all the ingredients. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of curd. We'll add 2 tablespoons of curd in it. And now we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Now we'll add all the ingredients together. Now we'll knead the dough using water. If water is needed, we'll add some water. And this dough is not as tight as chapati or something else. It is very smooth dough we have to make. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar in it. We'll knead the dough. See, our dough is very diluted. It is not regular, but no need to worry. Now we'll knead it like that. We'll sprinkle some oil on a flat platform like that, and we'll keep this dough here and we'll knead it like this. We have to knead it. Sprinkle, and we'll sprinkle some maida on it, refined flour, and we'll go and continue like that. See, after we'll kneading for some times, for few minutes, it will be in a dough. Now again we'll sprinkle some oil over it. Now see, our dough is almost ready. Now we'll knead it for few more minutes. Now again in this we'll dust some refined flour and we'll do like that, so that whatever dough is stick over here, it will also be there, and our perfect dough will be ready. Now we'll take a pan and we'll grease it like that. Now we'll take this dough like this, and we'll put it like this. With the help of the fingers, we'll spread it. Like this, we'll spread it with the help of the fingers. And now we'll keep it on the flame. Now we'll turn on the flame and we'll roast it for a few seconds, then we'll turn it. And now we'll cover it with the lid like this. Now we'll check it. Remove the lid. We'll see like this from this side. This time it is not cooked. For more few seconds, and your flame should be very low. It should not be reddish from that side. So you have to keep the flame low and you have to cover it. Now we'll remove this lid. We'll turn it like this, and with the help of fork we'll do the holes in it. Now we'll do it like that, and we'll cover it again. Cover it for, see, check it once again. bit roasted from other side also. See, we'll roast it more. Yeah, other side should be little bit light brown in color. Now we'll turn the flame off. This pan. Grease this pan. We have greased this pan. Now we'll put this pizza base. Now our pizza base is ready. We'll put it over here like this. Now we will apply pizza sauce on it. My pizza sauce recipe soon I am going to upload. That is also available. That will also be available there. To go and go through the recipe. It's very easy. Now we have applied pizza sauce. Now we'll arrange the onions and shimla mirch, that is capsicum. We have arranged onions like that. See. Now we'll add capsicum. Now we'll add some chopped tomatoes. Inside material we'll remove like this, then we'll cut and we'll arrange it. Now we will spread some black pepper powder on it. Little bit oregano. Already this oregano is there in our pizza sauce also. Now we'll sprinkle a pinch of salt. Evenly you have to sprinkle. Now the final step is to be here. We have to sprinkle our cheese, grated cheese. Now we have to keep this pan on the same pan in which we have roasted. See here, because if we'll keep this pan on the previous pan, it will not burn from the bottom. Now we'll cover it with the lid. See friends, now we'll cover it with the lid, and for few seconds we'll keep on high flame, then we'll reduce the flame and we'll allow it to cook for few minutes. Or it will take at least 10 to 20 minutes, and in between you have to check. If in oven if you are cooking, then no problem. At 180 degree you bake it and it will be very easy there. But if you are cooking on the gas stove, then you have to check it again and again. At least 10 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the pizza, it will take time. Now let us check our pizza. See, wow, what a nice aroma is coming, fragrance is coming. See, very nice pizza. It is good. Now we'll turn the flame off. See, it is wow pizza. Now let us take it out. Now see, this cheese burst pizza is ready now. Let us have a look and let us taste it. And if you like my recipes, then please share my channel, share my recipes and subscribe my channel and like my recipes. Thank you for joining my channel.